welcome to Code to Create channel. In this video you're going to see basic tags in HTML. So let's get started. So first of all, let me just tell you guys the editors that we can use. The first editor, I'll tell you a few editors and the most used editors. So first is going to be Visual Studio that I'm going to use. So you can just say Visual Studio Code download and you're going to get it to download over here. You have Notepad, you have Notepad++. Notepad is already over here. It's Notepad looks like this, and Notepad++ is just the upgrade of it. It's the higher level of it. And you have CodePen. You have CodePen. This is a free software that is used in Chrome itself, where you can just run it like easily. So let me just show you guys an example that I did. Yeah, so here you have CSS and JS. You can write your HTML too, leaving the CSS and JS if you wish to. It just gets run and you have to save your file here, that's it. And Visual Studio Code is gonna look like this. So let's begin with the basic tags. I'm gonna create a new file and I'm gonna name it as demo1. Remember to put .html if you're you want a HTML file, or you want a CSS file, you can say css.css like that. So yeah, now let's begin with the code. So first let me just write down the basic syntax. That's HTML, you're gonna write first. And then come down and you're gonna write head if you want a head. If you want foot, you can write foot. And inside the head, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a h1 tag. A h1 tag is basically like a heading 1. So heading 1, it depends on the size. The bigger the number, the smaller the sizes. So you have all the way from h1 to h6. So you're gonna close the tag, and then you're gonna, between the closing and opening tag, you're gonna write the sentence you want. So let me just write hi, enough. And I'm gonna copy up this line. And I'm gonna paste it everywhere. Yeah. And I'm gonna say h2, come down, h3, come down, h4. I'm gonna come all the way down, and h5, and then h6. So let me just run this and show you guys. I am going to just say start debugging, Chrome. Yeah. So you can see the size differences over here. You can align it up to. The way you can do is, you can just say style is equal to align items, and I'm gonna align it to center. So this is the way you can just align it up. So let me rerun this, and I'm gonna come up here. Okay. There's something wrong over here. So let me do one thing. I'm gonna rerun. I'm gonna stop debugging and I'm gonna run it again. In the Chrome. Okay. So there's something wrong over here. Okay, so you're gonna say align items. The thing you're gonna say is align. Okay, unknown property align. Okay, let me just delete up this line completely, and I'm gonna say style equal to border width. You have many stuffs over here. You can do animation, overflow, flex. You have many other stuff like zoom, clip, align self, flex, shrink, direction. You can set the direction, SRC, filter. So SRC, that's a different thing. So you have many other stuffs here. So I don't want any style, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So this is h1, the heading 1. The bigger the number is, the smaller the sizes. So here we have completed. Okay, so we have done a mistake. Here just a small mistake. h2, h3, h5, and then h6. Let me reload this. Let me run this again. Yeah. And let me just set the alignment to. So let me just set a style here. Align items, center. Let me do that. Reload this. Okay, something is wrong. Oh. Here we have another property that we can do. You can style the stuffs over here, like aligning and everything. So I don't want any alignment and everything. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. And this is the head, or you can say the heading of the complete, web page. And now we have a paragraph, like you want to write a paragraph. That time you can write P, and here you can write P paragraph like saying, hi, I am Likhitha, studying in 7th. So let me just write this much, the paragraph. And you can see here, hi, I am Likhitha, studying in 7th. You can see the font like a paragraph itself. So this is how you write a paragraph and heading. Let me just show you guys how to write let me just show you guys how to get an image. So this is the image that we'll be getting, this rose image. So just not to mess up, I'm gonna create a new file. I'm gonna say demo2.html. Yeah. And here I'm gonna get the basic syntaxes from demo 1. I'm gonna paste it here. And let me just remove all this headings and all. Yeah. So here what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a tag img, and inside the tag itself you're gonna get src, and you're gonna get the name of it. So that's rose.jpg, and I'm gonna close this up, this image. Okay, like this. So let me run this and show you guys. Let me run. Start debugging. Chrome. Cancel. So let me stop this. Let me just start debugging again. Chrome. So yeah, you can see the images over here. You can see the rose image is right over here. So this is how you get an image. And now suppose you want to link an image to another page. So another file you can think. So let me do that too. Not to mess up, I'm gonna create a new file again. .html. And here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the syntaxes. And after getting the syntaxes, I'm gonna get the basic. We're gonna link it up. So what we can do is I'm gonna say A and then href. And here you're gonna link to which page. So I'm gonna say demo. Let me just say demo2.html. And this is what I'm gonna link, and I'm gonna end this up. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna end it up. Let's just end it up like this. And after coming down, I'm just gonna come down and get the image syntax. So let me go to file 2 and copy the line of the image. Second. I'm gonna come here and paste it. And here we have just put the href, but we have put the href, but we haven't put what to do, like click here, and if they click over here, they're gonna go to next page. So A in the sense you're gonna go to another link, a hyperlink. So that's what A tag means. So let me just. So we have done just a small mistake over here. We should not end the A tag over here. I'll tell you. We have to not end the A tag over here because, just a minute, sorry, we have to not end the A tag over here because this is all under the hyperlink itself. This A to A, the tag A to A, the href. If we click on the href, we're going to get this image. So that's what it means. So let me start debugging. Let me run it. So you can see, now let me just click here. So, okay, I have put the file name as demo3 itself. Let me put it to demo1. And I'm going to rerun this. And come here. I'm going to click up here. You can see this is the page of demo1. And you can do another thing, title. That is going to be here, right here. Okay, so we have done a small mistake over here. This is going to be in the body, but the HTML is not going to care that much over here. I'll tell you when do we get this head. This is going to be the body. Yeah. So we have to do the same thing over here. Body. Inside this tag, I'm going to put body here. And inside this also, I'm going to put body. And I'll tell you why when we get the head. So let me just call the head and show you guys. So we're going to get the head when you want, it's going to be unprofessional if you don't have the tag over here saying demo1 and all those things. So what I'm gonna do is, in the head I'm gonna set the title, and I'm gonna set it equal to, let me do one thing, title, and I'm gonna set the title equal to saying that demo page. And let me run this. Let me stop running this and run this up. Start debugging in the Chrome. And you can see now demo page over here at the top. So if you want to style anything, like saying you want to align it to the center, so you can just say style align items to center. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rerun this. Something wrong. Flex container stretch. Okay, so we have just done a small mistake here. Align content, text align. So here we have to get the text align. And now let me just rerun this. And you can see it's to the center. The alignment we have set it to center because we have set the text alignment to the center. That's why all the text part what we wrote comes to the center. And let me show you guys the same thing. Here you have to put it as, let me change this up to the body. I'm gonna end this up as a body itself. Okay. Sorry. So here I'm gonna get it up here. Yeah. So, okay. Problems. Okay. There are no errors right now. So let me stop debugging or running it, running the file, and let me just rerun this. Okay, there's something wrong. Image here. Oh, there's some mistake. Okay, let me just delete this up. This is the problem over here because we have changed this up. So let me just call the body over here. And inside this I'm gonna get the image. And I'm gonna set the src to rows.jpg. And let me just end this. So let me rerun. Yeah, so we got the image. So this is how you align or style it up, or you can just create a new CSS file and link it here. So this is how you get an image or link to another image. So yeah, now we know the basic tags in HTML. That's great. Thank you friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.